Today, I'll walk you through on how to create a personal portfolio using Google Sites, a free and beginner-friendly tool perfect for showcasing your work, skills, or resume online. To get started, go to sites.google.com and click blank or choose a template. Using a template can save time if you want something already polished. Once inside, you'll see a simple drag and drop editor where you can add text, images, sections, or even embed videos and Google Drive files. Click on Insert to add elements and use the right panel to organize your layout into columns or sections. Rename your site at the top and don't forget to customize the header with your name or logo for a professional touch. You can create separate pages like About Me, Projects, and Contact by clicking pages and hitting the plus icon. When everything looks good, hit Publish, choose your web address, and your portfolio goes live instantly. Google Sites handles all the formatting so it looks clean on phones and desktop without any coding needed. It's one of the easiest way to build a portfolio you can share with employers, clients, or on your resume. If you want, you can even connect a custom domain later for a more professional look. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.